I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generational Investors. And it's a busy week in the stock market as usual. And I want to share with you one stock in particular that I started investing back in 2020. This is actually one of my favorite stocks, one of my first stocks that I bought and just continue to add to my portfolio. And by the end of this episode, hopefully this will encourage you, because this one right here, I believe everyone have this phone. And if you know what I'm talking about, this is Apple. That's right. Shout out to all my iPhone users. Let me know in the comment below if you have an iPhone, any Apple product, and do me a favor, smash the thumbs up, hit the like, hit subscribe, and we want to talk about what is going on in this big Apple event this week. Well, in this Apple event, there's so many different products that they're going to be hitting the shelf and showcasing in this expo, this conference, this summit. This is huge. So the first one is the iPhone 17. Okay, iPhone 17. You have the 17, the Pro, the Max, and the Air. And these features that they are going to, or it should be on display, is going to be a thinner, larger screen, Pro Motion screen, the new camera area. All that is supposed to be enhanced and added to the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Air. So for all the iPhone users, this is a plus for you. Moving to number 2, the Apple Watch Series 11, the Watch Ultra 3 and the SE. This feature that's been added to this particular product, the health upgrades. They said they're going to add many health upgrades for those who looking to get their health in order, get their health in check. It's a plus for you. This is a plus for you. They looking to add the hypertension detection to these particular watches. Also, they planning to roll out a paid health service next year, including an AI health agent. So this is definitely a game changer for those who looking to get their health in line, those who are working out, those who really taking the time to invest in their health. And I hope you are investing in your health, because I'm definitely investing into my health. Go check out the doctors, set up appointments, whether you doing walking, whether you are running, whether you are doing cross training, whatever it is. But health is wealth. Definitely don't forget that, because you can have all the money in the world, but if your health is out of whack, what's the money? What's good for the money? Okay, so definitely just want to drop that gem for you. Moving to AirPods Pro 3. They're planning a major new software, okay, that will allow AirPods to live translate conversations. Another plus with people who are speaking bilingual. This is a plus for you. And those who looking to learn to be bilingual, this is a plus for you. So they're building on translation feature to the iPhone, iPad with the Apple Intelligence of iOS 26 and iPad 26. That is a game changer. That is a game changer. Which leads me to the coming soon. So these are slanted to hit definitely, if not next year, possibly the ending of 2026, going into 2027. That is yet to be seen. But you have the AirTag 2, you have the iPad Pro, you have the Vision Pro, you have Apple TV and the HomePod Mini. All these products is looking to hit the shelf sometime next year. So definitely do your due diligence and stay tuned for these products, because the Apple ecosystem is on the move. And when I mean on the move, this price is going to go up. Definitely, if you ain't been paying attention, Apple is a no-brainer. And that's why I want to leave you with the strategies that you can start today. That's right. My first one, if you have any Apple product, it don't matter the phone, it don't matter the watch, it don't matter AirPods, you should own some shares of Apple. This is not financial advice, but this is financial education. I'm not your advisor, but if you have these products, you should consider to get you some shares of Apple. And if you say, I don't have $200, Coach Flo, I don't have $100, you have $5, you have $10 fractional shares, and you can start fractional shares with Moomoo. You can start fractional shares with Fidelity. You can start fractional shares with Webull, Robinhood. The list goes on. So there is really no excuse for you to have some type of fractional shares, some type of asset into these products, because as long as they got iPhones, they're going to continue to keep on making money. So if they're making money off of you, why not make money with them? Okay, that's something to think about. Moving to set it and forget it. This asset, this stock is number one, is a set and forget it. And when I mean set and forget it, whether you got $5, you got $10, you got $50, $100, $500, $1,000, $1,000 plus. This right here, you can park your capital, park your money into the stock. And as long as they got iPhones, as long as they got watches, Apple TVs, any Apple products that they keep pushing out, you're always going to make money. So why not invest in a $1 trillion company that's been around since 1980s? That is crazy. 1980s. So this right here is a set and forget it for me. Hopefully it's a set and get it for you, but definitely long term, which brings me to my next point and final point. Have a plan. Definitely want to have a plan. How many shares you want to accumulate? You want to, if you got one share, let's double up and go to 2. If you have 2, go to 4. If you have 4, go to 8. 10, go to 20. 20, go to 50. 50, go to 100, and so forth. How many shares you want to accumulate? Another question. Are you a long-term or you are a trader? Leave me a comment below. Are you long-term at Apple, or you just trade, you swing trade here and there, make calls, make leaps, make puts? That is something for you to consider, because you are the CEO of your own portfolio. And my final question, do you see yourself retiring off of Apple, living off of dividends? Just envision yourself doing that. Now, it's not going to take overnight, or it's not going to happen overnight. But if you continue to rinse and repeat over time, you can retire off of Apple, just the stock by itself. Not to mention, if you get calls, if you sell puts, for all my traders out there, you can retire off of Apple and live off the dividends. And who wouldn't want to live off of passive income? Because that's passive income. Because it's a caveat. Apple do offer dividends. So the more shares you have, the bigger your dividend grows. And like I said, that should be everybody's mindset. Live a passive life, because the time is now. Our jobs can only go so far. But now it's time to take these assets, buy more assets, and get paid in dividends and start funding our future, funding our vacations, paying off for debt. All that is possible if you put yourself in the right mindset and start and be consistent and rinse and repeat and do it all over again, because investing in yourself will take you so far in life. So I hope you have enjoyed this episode by smashing the thumbs up. Continue to share. I'm on TikTok. I'm on these social media platforms. We want to just continue to just run it up. Okay. Don't spend all your life working that 9 to 5 when you can use these assets to buy back your time. That's what we're working towards. Working to get our time back, and then ultimately have financial independence, which will leave us and give us the financial freedom that we all need. So I hope you have enjoyed this episode. I appreciate you stopping by. See you in the next one.